Hi, in this lesson we will learn how to make custom reports using the tech details template. So as you can see, I am in my GA4 property right now and I will go to create detailed report, and from here I will select tech details. For the first example, let's say you want to know how many people are coming from organic medium or any other medium in a specific device category. So let's make the report for that. Right now the main dimension is browser, but we want the device category to be default, so we will set this as default. If you want, you can remove all of these because you don't want them, and let's hit apply. And now let's look at the metrics. So we need only one or two metrics. We will remove the most of them, and let's add something like views, so like total number of views, and let's hit apply. Okay, and let's remove this bar chart and add filter that session medium exactly matches organic. Let's hit apply. So this is your first example, and here you can see there are different device categories and the users, new users and views. So let's add a secondary dimension here that tells us the source of the people who are coming. So it will tell you from desktop people are coming from Google, and from desktop DuckDuckGo and Bing and Ecosia. So this is the first example. Again, you can create a new card by adding device category and users and chart and the current filter, and let's hit apply. So this was your first example. Now let's move on to the second example. For the second example, let's say you want to know the people who are coming from a specific country, from a specific medium for different browsers. So for that, the primary dimension is browser, so we won't touch it, but we can adjust the metrics and remove the unnecessary ones. After that, we want to know people who are coming from a specific medium. So for now let's do referral, and country exactly matches, and United States. Like you can select any country you want, and let's hit apply. So this is your data, and let's remove the bar chart. So this is the second example. As you can see, 4 people are coming from Chrome. Let's see which device category they are coming from. So we can do like device category. So you know that okay, all of other people are coming from mobile and 4 people are coming from desktop. So this is your second example. Now let's move on to the third example. For the third example, let's say you want to know people who are coming from a specific OS with version like Windows 10 or Windows 11, and people who are male. So for that, let's start with building the filter. So the filter here would be OS with version exactly matches Windows 10. So for this example, we are taking Windows 10, and the second dimension would be gender exactly matches male, and let's add third dimension that people are coming from a certain country exactly matches. Okay, for this let's do does not exactly match. So we will do people who are not coming from United States, like any other country apart from United States. So we have added 3 different filters, and let's hit apply. Okay, so after removing the bar chart, it seems like there is no line chart. It's okay, but we get the data. So people are coming from Chrome, and there are 60 users are coming. So let's remove these unnecessary metrics. And I want to know how many sessions are there. So let's add sessions and engage sessions. So now we are seeing that 75 are total sessions, of which 59 are engaged sessions. This is a highly specific report, and that's why you won't be able to see a lot of chart data. So this is your third example. Now let's move on to the exercise. The exercise is also a very specific one. So suppose your client is targeting visitors from a particular country such as the United States and from specific browsers, and you are interested in knowing where the traffic is coming from and how many sessions you are getting from each browser and each traffic source. This information can be helpful for your SEO campaigns because you are focusing on money pages. So you will look at the money pages and their data. So what dimensions, filters, metrics would you apply to make this report? Think about it a little, and when you're done, we will go ahead and make the report. So this example is very specific. Here you can see there is a focus on a lot of things. Like first, the focus is on US as a country and money pages as your folder, and the focus is on specific browsers and where people are coming from. There is also a focus on the number of sessions. So let's start with the dimensions. We want to keep the browser and we will remove the rest of them, and let's hit apply. The main metric that we are looking here is the number of sessions. So let's add sessions and let's remove all of them, and let's add a different metric, that is views. So now we have 3 different metrics, and let's hit apply. Now we will add a secondary dimension, that is where they are coming from. So session source, and let's remove the bar chart. And for the filters, we have 2 things: the people that are coming on the money pages. So we will do page path and screen class contains. This will be your subfolder. I will add the subfolder that includes my money pages. So whatever subfolder you have, or if you don't have a subfolder, you can do exactly matches and then select the different pages, and you can also add the subfolder here. So for me it's seo-hub subfolder, and people who are coming from specific country. So we will do country, exactly matches, and United States. So here you will have very specific data. So for this you know that how many people are coming from different browsers and where they are coming from. And oh, we didn't make the sessions as primary metric, so let's go ahead and do that. So now you know how many sessions are coming from different browsers and where they are coming from. So your answer would be that 40 sessions are coming from Chrome and people are coming from Google via Chrome, and this data is specifically for your money pages and people who are coming from United States. So I hope you understand how to make custom reports using the tech details template. These reports can be as specific as you want. You can drill down and get the very specific data that you're looking for. If you have any questions related to this and anything in general, let me know and I will love to help you.